Ever wondered how to clean your tile shower with WD-40? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the surprising benefits of using this versatile product for your bathroom cleaning routine. You see, WD-40 can do wonders in cutting through stubborn soap scum and those pesky hard water stains that just won't go away. And the best part? It's a solution that's likely already sitting in your garage. So, are you ready to give your shower a new sparkling look? Stay tuned. First things first. Gather all the necessary supplies. You'll need a can of WD-40, your secret weapon against stubborn grime. Next, a spray bottle to apply the WD-40 evenly. A scrub brush will help you tackle tough spots, while a sponge will be handy for wiping the surface clean. Finally, a bucket of clean water is essential for rinsing off the residue. Each item plays a crucial role in this cleaning process. Once you have all these items ready, you're set to start the cleaning process. Now let's dive into the cleaning process. First things first, we need to get our WD-40 ready. This is the secret weapon that will make your tile shower sparkle like it's brand new. Start by spraying a generous amount of WD-40 directly onto the tiles. Don't be stingy with it. The more you apply, the easier it will be to break down the grime. Once you've coated the tiles, we move on to the second step, letting it sit. This is where patience comes into play. Allow the WD-40 to sit on the tiles for a few minutes. This gives it time to penetrate and work its magic on the dirt and grime. It's like a mini spa treatment for your tiles, only instead of cucumber slices, we're using a lubricating spray. Now that you've given the WD-40 time to do its thing, it's time to get a little physical. Step 3 involves a scrub brush. Using this brush, gently scrub the tiles. You should start to see the grime begin to lift away. It's like a little tile transformation happening right before your eyes. Next up is step 4, rinsing. This is where you'll really start to see the fruits of your labor. Using clean water, rinse the tiles thoroughly. You want to make sure you get all the WD-40 and loosened grime off the tiles. As the water runs down, you'll see a clearer, cleaner surface emerging. It's a satisfying sight, isn't it? Finally, we're on to step 5, drying. Grab a clean cloth or sponge and wipe the tiles dry. This step is crucial because it prevents water spots and streaks from forming on your newly cleaned tiles. Plus, it reveals the true shine of your tiles, making your shower look brand new. And there you have it, your tiles are now clean and shiny. In just 5 easy steps, you've transformed your tile shower using a little bit of elbow grease and the power of WD-40. So, that's how you clean your tile shower with WD-40. Easy, isn't it? In a nutshell, all you need to do is gather your supplies, apply the WD-40, let it sit for a while, and then scrub it off. This nifty product not only cleans your tiles, but also leaves them looking shiny and new. It's cost-effective, easy to use, and a great alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. The beauty of using WD-40 is that it does more than just clean. It also protects your tiles from future dirt and grime, making your cleaning tasks a lot easier down the line. Plus, it's safe to use on most surfaces, making it a versatile tool in your cleaning arsenal. If you found this video enlightening, why not show some love? Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more useful tips and tricks up our sleeve. Until next time, happy cleaning.